baby. We're live, baby. We just like um post it, because it's obviously like some that's is worth actually talking about. We are live. We are live, and we're gonna talk about programming and shit, and vibe coding, and whatever else. I don't know. Let's see actually what else we can talk about. Let me just post something that I'm actually live. This video. We are live, baby. Yeah. Okay. Just posted. So no one's actually seeing those posts today. Like, are they displaying anywhere? Show more. They're like very well hidden. Yeah, are they actually anywhere? I'm kind of wondering. It's like if you look through AI girls, we don't care. Yeah, like I'm not really know. I'm not sure actually where posts are actually shown here even. Why would I post a post? I don't know. Okay. Oh, he was fired. Shabby Alonso. Well. If you're ever offered a job at what the hell is this? If you ever offered the job at Real Madrid, you should consider it wisely. It's not an easy job. I think they expect a lot from you. So, but luckily it's very well paid. So I think Xabi Alonso will be fine. Um, that's my opinion on this topic. Everyone is actually probably very interested in what I think about Real Madrid's coach. So if this is something you are wondering about, I think they actually fired him, which is a pity. He is a good coach and should have another chance somewhere else. That's my official statement on this topic. I wonder if I should give some other official statements on other topics, like my favorite ice cream, or Venezuela war, or Donald Trump's policy on, I don't know. I wonder what's his policy on today. It's changing every day. I think, I don't know. I mean, I'm not really that much into politics, so. But I'm so much more into the ladies doing laundry in the river. I think that's something that we should actually watch again, yeah? Let's do this. And actually today, yesterday I was actually fixing my email service because my email kinda, so I did like registration. So yesterday I registered like real customer with real bank account, card and stuff. So I sort of pretended to pay, and I've put my hard-earned money to actually pay for my service, so it would actually come back to me, even like but like just to test it. But then I didn't receive confirmation, and this is actually sorry, due to the fact that I actually have two domains, and I redirected my domain that I have email on to the other domain. So let's just check again if the domain is working. I will do registration again. So let's go to Planner Online. Currently I pointed this back here, which doesn't seem to work, which is annoying. That's why I'm actually using the .online. Because this, yeah, I had those issues with different servers and their SSH policy, like how they implement SSH, which seems to be a problem sometimes. Okay, so start for free, and then like we're gonna put this, although like this email needs to be the other one. Yeah, this one. And username is Maciej D1. Let's just, I will just write this down. So my, but this account will actually, I will register for free and make sure that I'm actually getting, because I deleted this from my database. Okay, maybe I didn't actually. Let's see. Yeah, this one, admin. if you go to this address, it will ask you for password. So this is something that you won't have. Something I have. Okay, let's delete this one. Delete selected. Yeah, okay. So this is deleted. The thing is, I have to actually if you sign up with a password that is with email address that is already used, it shouldn't actually allow you to do that. So I'm actually that's a bug I have to write down. I think I have my list here somewhere. Yeah. On sign up, check if email exists. Yeah, that's the problem. If it exists, it should actually allow, like, inform you that, oh, this one is taken. Sorry, that. Although, like, this is security, obviously, but yeah, shit. Yeah, sorry for eating apple. I love apples. Oh, actually, this is super quiet. Yeah, okay. So, I forgot about the music. Okay, so let's just write this one down. And I should actually get email. Yeah. And the email will actually send me the credentials. So let's just start free one for now. Pay and subscribe. And you're not paying anything, so you don't have to pay. That's the beauty of my service. You know, it's free. For now. I will make you pay. I will make you all pay. For now, it's free. Let's see if my Gmail. Please work. Because it was working before. Welcome. Okay, I've signed up on TikTok. I don't know. I never used TikTok. Yeah, I will just throw my shirts there. To see, you know, maybe that's another place to actually advertise. The more the merrier. Like that's what they say. And why the hell it's not sending it here? So we didn't get anything here, unless it's spam. Not spam. Shopping stuff, I don't know. What's that? Yeah, so we were expecting this kind of email. And we didn't get that. Log into your account. Yeah, so this is something that I expected and I never got it. Which is a problem again. Which I will have to address. So this is it's my test account. This is working here. So on testing it's working, and here it doesn't. Which is a fucking freaking hell. But we'll have to. That's something I have to deal with. And what's here? Is this no? What's in index? Okay, it's telling me that I'm actually alive. This is something. Oh, you can have $6,000. That actually might be a good deal. If you think of it. If you're actually selling a product or something, that might be a good deal. I don't know. I mean, you have to know how to use the TikTok stuff. Oh, okay. What's this? Cancelled. Ooh, so I cancelled that. And it actually deleted it from here, which is nice. Is this actually taken somewhere? No. Oh, let me just check if this... So no, it wasn't registered. Bigger product. Did I get like Stripe information? Okay, so there is something like this was actually tested and worked, and I think I messed it up actually recently. That's actually something I will have to sort out. And did we have anything new customers? Was today 13th January, so I did get one. Yeah, okay, so I got one transactions, I think. Oh, there's no customers, yes. So this one was done now. But it seemed like my webhook didn't work or something. Create subscription. Oh, this is... Okay, so this is just different. Create subscription. What does it do? Yeah, yeah, I got like multiple of those. Which pay. Let's delete those. Yeah, kind of fun. Why don't we work? Why doesn't it work? Let's SaaS AI actually quickly. Maybe it will figure something out. Although, okay, there is my... Oh, okay, let's just go to my email service first. Server. Yeah, don't know. Okay. Something seemed like happened here. Let's see if this service actually... leave email copies in the inbox. Yes, leave them. That's actually something I should do. Have backups and check it every once in a while that I'm not really overrunning my email account. Yeah, okay, let's have 5 gigs for now. Yeah, and let's go to nazwa.pl. Cloud mail. Okay, there is this trash. I don't need that. Okay, let's just do register again, and I delete the details from here. Let's delete this customer. Go away, customer. Get lost. Yeah, get lost. I'm cool now. So I don't have it here. Let's just sign up again. Username, and so let's just have this username that I just created. Yeah. And start a free trial. Paying. Money. I mean 0 money. But I think here I will have to put like enter congratulations, that it should be on your email. But let's please have it on my email. Yeah, not here. It's not here. Is it sent? This one? No. No, not here. Yeah, okay, so that's something I will have to address. It's not registered here. In users, let's maybe refresh it properly. No, it's not subscribed. Yeah, so it doesn't really happen. So yeah, this is software problem that just got unsolved. So I feel like what I will have to do now is to test my like entire email flow, how it actually works exactly. So I think I just broke it yesterday, or like a couple of days ago when I was actually doing the main stuff. And let's just, what I will do actually, I will delete the email service that I have, the email list accounts, or maybe registration. Let's just create a new one called registrations, or register, or sign up. Right? Może. Aha. No. Pojedziemy, Naliko, pojedziemy. Naliko, zamknij drzwi. Yeah, let's remove this one. Yeah, I will create a new one, just office at Panera.eu. And I will have to just point it again, like fix those variables. So that's actually something that I will do in render. Let's just remove my old account. And I will just fix, yeah, I will just set up new one with same address, basically. It's gonna be, or maybe registration. So maybe I shouldn't really remove the office because it actually works. Worked, it just disappeared. It's just gonna disappear now. Let's have glasses on. Let's be more badass. Especially when I do my account deletion. Are you on? Are you alive? Dude, like, are you there? Jesus, like, it takes forever. Operation in progress. So if it's in progress, then keep on progressing. Where is the progress? I don't see any progress. You didn't delete it. You did nothing. You lazy app. Yeah, it's still here. Yeah, let's delete. I just don't want this account. I will create a new one with the same name. And test it from scratch. Test it then from beginning. I don't have to talk because no one is here anyway, so who cares? You can, like, if someone just watches it in 20 days or something, and you can just listen to the ladies and boys actually singing the song. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, are you gonna delete this service or you will never do that? It's a funny conundrum. Like, yeah, I'm doing it. Operation in progress. Progressing, see? Progressing for last 2 minutes. I wonder if there's anything in yeah, let's just see if there is anything in network. Okay, it's just refresh. No, actually, this is there will be nothing in there because that's probably not it's not a REST service, so like there's not gonna do much. Okay, just gonna maybe at the best it might actually just download the data, the stuff. One of my shorts was very popular over last 2 hours. I mean, for me, very popular means like 100 views. That's very popular. I'm not Joe Rogan, so, you know, I will be that in a few months, but not yet. I'm still building. Okay, where's my... I'm still building my audience. Welcome, audience. How are you today? So, yes, thank you. Thank you for deleting this account. So I just realized that my email service doesn't work for subscribing. And this is a pain in the ass to me. Let's do registration. 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 No, I don't know. Okay, you're gonna... Yeah, let's have a strong password. Good. I like strong passwords. See, if you only try to hack it, there is a strong password waiting for you. Yeah, and just leave this one. No autoresponders, do I need to? No. Senders first. No. Safe. So we're gonna hopefully get the signups working with the new registrations at planero.com email address. Let's see actually if I have it anywhere on Office. Yeah, okay. Office. Okay, default email. Okay, so option free implementation. Okay, that's just some stuff. That doesn't matter. So I think like all the stuff is actually on the render platform. Yeah, and now we just have to change this, I think. Detailed instructions. Okay, I think I just need to change this. I think so, yeah. So let's go to render. Oh no, not this. Dashboard, yes, it's good that we have a button here. They are nice to me with that UI. So I think I will have to go here to environments, email backend, email host password, host user, email port. Okay, let me just check that on the side, so I'm not sharing some sort of very crucial credentials with you, my lovely viewers. No, oh, probably gonna stay the same. Yeah, email user. Oh, let's just edit it. Registration. Yep. That's the host stays. Django email backend. Yeah, and this one. Default from email. Maybe it should be no reply. Oh, I don't know. Save and rebuild. Let's see if this one will work. So I basically have set up a new account with the same stuff, more or less. Let me just do the testing now for sign up. Okay, this needs to obviously deploy. Actually, I think like my production might need to be even on a different server. I don't really like that address. Wonder if I can change it. Or maybe I'll just deploy another one that will... I don't know. I shouldn't actually keep that silly address. Like this. horse riding in the snow. So nice. Yeah, it's about people coming to a party. What a lovely song. Yeah. Hi there, how are you today, my friend? Oh, I should record that because I might actually say something smart during the cast. I might not. Yeah, there is a big chance that I will actually say nothing smart over like 2 hours. That can happen over that time. And so far I don't know, like half an hour passed and like I don't really... I think I said like 1 or 2 funny things, but nothing really smart. That's so scary. That's pretty scary, yeah. Okay, let's just start fixing my... let's see if my deployment went through. Oh, not YouTube. So addicted to YouTube. I want to go to render. Is my backend deployed? Deploying, and seems to have no errors, which is good. I like when it deploys and shows no error. How are you today, my friend? I think the new person has joined, and I love when people are joining. Because it's just more fun than just me on the chat. Okay, yeah, that's fine. I think it looks still fine. No credentials, no passwords. Okay, let's just not show that. I don't think there are any credentials here, but let's be available on your primary. Okay, I think we have that sorted. Do we have to change anything else? I think that's it, you know. I think that I'll just refresh my front end. I think I will have to make some sort of like better UI, like user experience, UX. Here, when you sign up, it should actually just tell you that you were signed up. New test. So, and let's have this user match 81. Please work this time, or maybe this. Yeah, let's try a free trial again. Please work, please. Otherwise I will have to do all the testing again. Okay. So this one, or maybe let's undo that one. I think that might be useful. What's this? What's this stuff? Somewhere in December, I don't know. And so far, nothing was delivered. Let's try on like a burner account, like a half an hour account, yeah? 30-minute email. Yeah, let's try here, because I don't know, like it was working. I have an entire podcast to prove that I'm actually not lying. That it was working, and it's not working now. Match A1. So let's use this, and this is gonna be username. I don't think it actually needs usernames because it's actually sending. It's like you are registering on your email. Oh yeah, let's see. Pay and subscribe. Please pay and subscribe. So we were redirected, I think, or we are being redirected by Planero. And the funny thing, it's actually on what's the name of the service? It's actually correctly working on the shit. It's not working here. Like the Stripe's actually receiving that kind of users. You know, it's actually knowing that some person has registered. Yeah, nothing here. Shit, my service used to work, it doesn't work now. Let's see if there are any logs. Yeah, that's a pain, because that used to work. That was working a couple of days ago. I did quite a lot of testing at the time, But then I fucked it up myself. Yeah, okay, this is here and this is here, so this should actually work. Let's see if I can... Yeah, okay. But this wasn't confirmed, so that's a problem. Cancel subscription. Update subscription. What this is doing. Yeah, okay, no. So yeah, I think like we are not getting... I think I have to do like entire setup again. And just make sure that it works. Okay, let's just see registration at Panero, if it's even working. Let's just send an email here. Are you working? Please, tell me. So here, on this email, I didn't get anything. Can I send anything from here? No. Let's go to my own email and send to registration at Panero. Are you working, baby? There's so many babies today here. How are you guys today? Should I make a poll or about something crucial? What would be the crucial thing for all the people interested in my podcast? The only question I have in my head is, will I ever be more popular than Joe Rogan? That's probably something that I'm kind of wondering, but that's probably, you know, in the future, like a couple of months away still. So I shouldn't be so rush about it. Did we get anything here? So it should actually redirect to my main email. So to this one. Dodaj adres pomocniczy. Yeah, okay. Okay, this one is working. Customers deleted, that's fine, I deleted them. Okay, so this email works. So we actually know that at least. Well, which is a medium news. Like it's not good, it's not bad, it's okay news. So like one thing is fine. I mean, maybe it's a good news actually. I should be celebrating my email working. So then... Okay, so we know that this one is working. This is old email. Nothing here, nothing is spam. Okay, so we know that backend. Here. Let's see if any subscriptions were created. No. One wasn't created, yes. Okay, I've got plenty of myself, but no. Okay, this wasn't created, so yeah, we are not creating a new account. That's a problem. Let's go to AI and see if AI can actually figure something out. My email. Work. I have changed email to registrations. Registration, I think it was. Oh, this one is not available anymore. This is deleted. So this one is not there, but registration. Okay. I have updated in render, but it seemed to deliver. Shit, maybe I should like... But it's working. I know this email is actually working, so I shouldn't have a problem with that. What else? Like, is there anything? The registration planner EU, that's the email. Good. Debug. Oh, we shouldn't debug it. We shouldn't allow debugs. But okay, later. Okay, SMTP Django email, that's fine. Server is the same. Password seems fine. Email seems fine. Okay, I should be reading what he's saying. Yeah, step by step. Okay. Okay, check to diagnose your email service issues. Your Django backend deployed and render. Follow these steps systematically. Oh, I'm always not very systematic with those steps, so that's a problem. Default form email. From email. 2 registration. You will verify that. Okay, check render environment variables. Log into your render. Likely or similar. Okay, that's the one. And I'm checking, and email host works correct. So this one, go to environment variables. Ensure the following variables are set. Email backend properly too. That's actually correct. Let's see. Email backend. Django, yes. Mylar backend, SMTP. Email backend. Yes. Okay, I'm checking it on the other screen, so just accidentally won't reveal something crucial. Email host. Maybe I should go for SendGrid. Let's see how SendGrid works actually. Maybe I should do SendGrid then. SendGrid. I just don't want to pay for another service because I'm already paying for so many. Free trial, 60 days. Okay, free SendGrid alternatives. Let's see. Free SendGrid alternatives. Mailjet. I think I used this one and it was pretty decent actually. Try for free. How does it work for free? Postmark. Or maybe I use this one. Pricing. Let's see the pricing. Basic Pro platform. No, it's not free. Start for free trial. Emails every month. Everyone starts on our free developer tier, which includes. Yeah, maybe later. Yeah, maybe we go for like one of those services actually. The good thing about them is when you register them and when you send emails there, it has a sort of dashboard where you can check all the emails and like they're not getting lost. So that's a good thing. Okay, let's just try to fix mine, and if I can't really do it today, I will pay for one. Gmail, SMTP, email host. Did it change at all? No, that didn't change. Email port. Where's my port? Email port. Same port. SSL. I think that the port is okay. Use SSL port. ESL true. Ooh. Use TLSL should be true. Yeah, use SSL true. Okay. Email host user. Email host user. I think that's the same one as my email itself. Okay, email host password. Okay, let me just make sure that my password there is correct as well. Yeah, let's save. Jesus, like this was working, I just messed it up myself. Why am I This is just welcome email. Registration at nano.eu. And this email works because I tested it. I can send stuff to it and from it. So... Oh. What about some webhooks? Like how do I know? Yeah. Okay, but when I... Yeah. It might not be email now because my user didn't register it as well. It's something. Yeah, let's see. Okay, because my user didn't send this email. Oh, okay, I might actually do that. Paste comment. Some more codes to actually deploy. That's fun. Because I actually yeah, let's see again. Let's see my... Yeah, that was solved before. I would tell my manager that it's done, and then shit, it's not working again. Mr. Manager, I made it work, but today, yeah, I know you are testing it, and I know customers are calling you like hell. They are calling you all the time, can't stop calling you, and it turns out that it's not working. And I told you it's gonna work. People are watching one of my shorts like crazy. It's good, because this might mean that some of them might actually be watching me as well. Okay, back to my real life. Back to my manual. Okay. Redeploy and test registration. Redeploy your backend and render after those changes. Attempt your registration for your frontend. Check logs. Okay. Update. Test. Register. Don't you know when things stop working that you just implemented? When you just thought this is closed and tested and working, and then it doesn't again. Because this is actually, like, this is one of the most crucial things before I can actually sell it. I mean, I need to be able to sell it, otherwise it's a dead system, you know? Otherwise, like, someone will pay and, like, will register, and then he will not get like sign up email, which is very important. And then he will come back to me and say, where the hell is my email? Sorry, where the hell is my account? I just put my credit card number, and how can I trust you when you can't do that, you know? And I can't blame it on some other guy in some other team. I have to make this one work myself. Cloud mail. Where's my... Okay, register. You. Yeah, okay, not... are you working? Yeah, so this one was working. This one doesn't matter. Maybe it matters actually. Let's see what was in that message. Is there any setup? No, it seems to be fine. This is about nazwa PPL. which is the service I'm using here. Are you working, baby? Yeah, let's just so this was actually sent. Okay, I think I'm deploying it now, so let's see if render. This is what will happen when you actually create your SaaS yourself, you know, you have plenty of those configs things, which I think that's the only thing that 15 years of experience in software development gives me, you know, it's actually knowledge that this doesn't happen, that it happens. I have knowledge after 15 years of software development. I have knowledge that things can break, and they break all the time, and you just have to keep on fixing them. It's like you know, when you have a house, you know, and or you have a when you have a house, you have to paint your you have to paint your fence every year or two, because otherwise it will fall apart. And if you have a car, you have to change oil every time, and it breaks as well. Not only even if you change your oil like often, it's the car will still break. That's actually what the online app is, you know. And the fun thing about it is, like, after so many years, I don't really panic when it happens. I just get upset. I just get upset. I might swear a bit, but I just know that I have to fix a couple of things. And, you know, if I can't fix it today, I will come back to it tomorrow, and I will just spend more time on it, and I will get it all done. So that's actually, I think that's one. I was actually thinking, what makes a senior developer worth his price, you know, how much we pay him. And it's not knowledge of a code, you know, it's not like he knows some code better, because he probably, obviously he worked with different technologies, and he learned them, and he already forgot most of that as well. And he read some documentations, he might understand stuff, so that's obviously some of the quality. But although today with AI this is a bit less relevant, because you can always ask AI, like, can you do this, or can you, like, you know, write me this page, and it will just write it, you know. And it might not know some corner cases, it might not know the security very well, but the senior developer he might not know it as well, you know. He might need to just spend time to fix those things. But what senior developer gives you is actually, he should be relaxed enough to know that, you know, if things don't work today, we can just spend a bit more time on it, because we did that, you know, earlier. So we can fix that we can get them working tomorrow, maybe, or, you know, or we need to spend another 2 or 3 days on it, and then we'll make it work. Okay, my Stripe, yeah. So that's what you pay. What you pay for if you hire some senior developers. It's experience of things breaking. His experience of knowing that things break all the time, and, you know, and he will be relaxed enough to actually fix that and not panic too much, you know. He will just like, okay, this is what we need to do. We need to spend 2 more days, because I had it broken before, and it took me 2 days. So, like, if we just spend 2 days, we will fix it. Or I might be able to fix it in a day, because I might remember some of the stuff from back then. Yeah, let's just clip that. Let's remember when I said it. 51st minute. So I'll actually export this as a short, because I seem to be popular in shorts now, you know. I just like had a short that hundreds or thousands of people watched for some reason. It's not like it's super good one. I mean, it's good. Guess what they asked me on last job interview? That was what it was about, and lots of people seem to be watching it. I think it showed some sort of like a promotional page. Yeah, so yeah, I get popular sometimes. Yeah, good. I like that. I like some fame. Okay, let's go back to get back to hacking. I'm trying to get my email confirmation sent. Something that was working before and doesn't work now. Which is a pity. I can always actually swap my production with development because the development actually it might not work anymore because it was working on my previous email. Okay, let's just try to register again. I think my stuff deployed, so I have my logs now. So I actually asked AI to write some logging for this. Let me just check it on another screen just in case if it's not gonna show anything. It shouldn't actually, because that would be, you know, logs shouldn't actually include any credentials. I should just say that, you know, there is a credential or something. So, but let's actually, okay, I will keep the logs on the other screen. Let's register again to my lovely system. Okay, let's just start from scratch. Yep. Okay, sign up. And I'm gonna use this login. Oh, Google. Okay, sorry, I just need to speak to Google. Hello. Hello. Hi there. Yeah, hi, hello. Yeah, how are you today? Yeah, I do remember you. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, I'm doing well today. It's snowy here, but it's still nice. Yeah, it went well. I mean, I enjoyed it actually. The guy was asking, you know, quite interesting questions, I would say. So I did like that. You know, there was quite a lot about how I would deal with problems, and it wasn't like so much focused on, you know, exact coding solutions. Yeah, so that's a nice one. It's a good question. Yeah, good questions. Yeah, the problem was like I think I was there actually. I actually joined because I went there on time and there was no one actually on the other side unless there was some mix up with time slots. But I think like yeah, I don't know, like because I'm pretty sure I actually went for because that was on the second link. That was the second one, and I went there actually on time and I don't know, I didn't meet anyone there. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, that sounds good. Brilliant. Thank you. You too. Thank you. Yeah, sorry for that. Like last week, I was being interviewed by Google, and there was first round, and there was supposed to be second round on the same day, like coding interview. That I might actually fail because I think I'm not really. I might not actually. We'll see. The thing is, like, I'm not that well prepared with algorithms, and I don't feel like learning them too much because I don't use them then. So if I know enough to actually pass it, then it's fine. But if I don't really mind. It's not gonna rock my world too much. But basically, they were calling because I didn't show up on the test. Like I actually clicked on the link and I went to the meeting, but there was no one there. And I don't know, wherever. Maybe it was me, maybe them. But they gonna assign me another one over the next few weeks, or over next week. But that's actually not important. Like the thing is, like I don't know if I want to go there. It's just like a backup option. I hope they won't watch it. I'm obviously uploading it to Google service, to YouTube, so hopefully they don't watch their own stuff too much. I mean, they would have to like that, whatever. So, hmm, okay. These are the logs I'm getting on render. Seems like one of the web groups doesn't work. Although it's fine. I get I get let's see my stripe again, because I think that's okay. We are actually getting somewhere, which is good. Yeah, not here, obviously. We are getting something with a nice stripe right now. So, did we get any customers? Yeah, I got a new cost. One of the stripe. Yeah, let's see. That's actually a good news, I think. Oh, why? Unable to resolve chat model with family selection. But I'm not using GPT 4.1. I'm just using Grok. I'm using Elon. Elon, what's wrong with you? Let's try again. Let's try again. Maybe 7 times. I always say that 7 times will work. It doesn't. Let's just change the model. I still have I have plenty of credits for maybe Claude Sonnet. Gemini? Gemini Pro? I don't know. They're all the same for me. Let's try this one. Okay, unable to do family selection. Chat model with family selection. GPT 4.1. What a mess. Okay, let's just refresh. Let's just restart the service. No one is chatting today. What's wrong with everybody? Where is everybody today? Where is my engagement? Okay. So let's enable. Okay, let's try this one again. These are the logs I'm getting from render. Oh, okay, so I'm supposed to copy the logs over. So like that's the problem. But yeah, okay, so this is something I'm getting. Internal server error. Yeah, this is some knowledge. I think that's come on, language model unavailable. Okay, just give me some other one. What's wrong with this thing? The internet is here, so like there shouldn't be a problem. Come on, my language models, where are you? Where the hell are you all? Give me the one that works. I don't care. Like it doesn't have to be Gemini, you know. I don't have to have Gemini. Just give me anything. I think they do well with models. So if you send them a model, logs like this, they will actually know what. Okay, let's just keep this one for now. I might need to actually restart my machine. So let's. I think I'll have to be back in a minute. I don't know if this is restart thing that will work. Something that I have to. It might be actually on their side. Yeah, okay, let's just try to post it here. Okay, let's see if it's gonna work here. No! Language model unavailable. So how can we program when there is no language model? Question is, do we have to get back the code ourselves? Maybe this is time to actually use Stack Overflow. Supposedly dying platform. Maybe it has, you know, some utility now. When other stuff doesn't work, the Stack Overflow can work. So this is the way we used to work, you know. Like you don't know something, you just Google it. I mean, some people would just read documentation, which is probably better. Maybe, I don't know. Not always better. Like, it can be better, but you know, it doesn't stop you. It doesn't protect you from being frustrated at not understanding what's going on. Okay. I think we will have to do a restart, you know? Or maybe no, because I don't see any language models here. Add models? Maybe. Yeah, let's see, grok. Can we add a grok? No. Yeah, it seems like there is the AI, like the Copilot doesn't seem to be working. So is Copilot broken? Are we now back to Stone Age of coding? With no Copilot, no grok, no whatever, Gemini. Do we have to go and check our code and read all, maybe I should read all prompts, you know? Maybe I will just, because basically, okay, I actually have an idea. So now that the AI doesn't work wherever, you know, we can still go to Stripe and see my webhook events actually. So webhooks, because it sounds like there are errors here, and I think we have some errors here showing, yes. Logs. Yeah, okay. Okay, let me just move it to the other screen, so I don't think there are any credentials here, like some... this is some ID, that's fine. So where was the errors? Where were the errors? Events. Yeah, does this mean that completed was not... Yeah, okay. We send. Okay, maybe there is something wrong with emails actually. Do I have any emails in those webhooks here? I don't remember actually. Let's see my webhooks. Okay, so I get like, let's say I think it's an email problem. I'm almost certain, because that's what I used to have before. So now I'm getting those errors again. So like all the failed ones are actually today. I think it actually... Oh, okay, so these are the... Yeah, so it's actually showing me that, you know, today I had like 24 correct webhooks. and 6 errors, you know. And yeah, checkout completed. Yeah, okay, so checkout completed. Checkout completed is an error. And I think like what we have here, let's see. Okay, I might actually check it again on the other screen. But my guess is that it needs an email. Okay, let's just get the entire I'll just copy the entire log for myself from the other screen. And maybe here should be. But let's see. Okay, so that doesn't include that log of email that. Okay. Yeah, so that's an email issue, which is maybe a good news because the webhooks, to fix webhooks, it's even harder. Usually. My AI bug. Let's try again. Yeah, so webhook that doesn't is checkout completed. Yeah, I'll just write it down obviously, but checkout session completed. Do we have any other outputs? Checkout customer subscription created. That's also a problem. Do we have another errors? No. Checkout customer subscription created. Although like sometimes created is being created, so maybe that's nice. When created is not a problem. Checkout completed. Checkout session completed. Okay, so that's the one that is problematic. Hi sir. Are you still about the job? My friend, I don't know if I can help you with that, you know, because I have many people asking me to give them freebies. You know, everyone would like to have some freebies, but I don't really give away freebies, you know? I'm not that kind of person. Language model unavailable. Alright. So nice to see you. Again. Please, language model, show yourself. Yeah, okay, I'll be back in a second. I will be back. Yeah, I'll be back in a few minutes. I don't know, maybe maybe restarting it will help. I think it's actually on the other side. Oh, okay. No, I think it's on the Copilot side, but sorry, I'll just refresh my machine and see if it's. Then be back in the stream in 10 minutes. Stop recording.